In this video, we listed the 5 best deadlift jacks that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Luwint Mini Barbell Jack. The Luwint Bar Jack is made of durable alloy steel and is designed to assist in lifting heavy weights with ease. It utilizes the principle of leverage to lift the weight, making it a functional accessory for home gyms. The deadlift jack features a rubber pad for cushioning and preventing sliding, ensuring high safety performance. It is suitable for a variety of barbell supports and is safe and easy to load and unload weight plates. With a grip length of 18.1 inches and a stand height of 9.2 inches, this labor-saving bracket is ideal for fitness enthusiasts in both home and commercial gym settings. Number 2. Yes for All Deadlift Jack. Yes for All offers a deadlift barbell handle designed for durability and ease of use in weightlifting. Constructed from anti-corrosion stainless steel, this deadlift jack ensures stability when changing weights, eliminating the need to balance the barbell constantly. It features a UHMW padded grip to securely hold the barbell without scratching, maintaining stability and preventing sliding during lifts. The ergonomic design, with dimensions of 20.87 by 13.98 by 4.92 inches and a capacity of up to 600 pounds, includes a built-in handle and rubber cover for smooth handling even with fully loaded barbells. This gym accessory aims to streamline pre-exercise setup, enhancing workout productivity by saving time and energy. Yes for All backs this product with a 1-year warranty and a customer-centric return policy, emphasizing peace of mind in fitness gear procurement. Number 3. Portable Deadlift Jack. The Barbell Jack from Barbell Jack is a sturdy and compact tool designed for effortless weight plate changes during exercises like deadlifts, hip thrusts, and various lifts. Made from injection-molded nylon and GF, it weighs 2 pounds and supports up to 550 pounds on each side. Its 15-inch sleeve length accommodates standard Olympic plates, and it features a smooth hook and pull system for easy loading and unloading. Included accessories vary by color and include either barbell collars or resistance band. Designed to reduce the risk of injury by simplifying plate changes, this jack is portable at just under 19 inches tall, making it a versatile companion for any workout regimen. It's backed by a product warranty covering manufacturer defects, ensuring reliability and performance enhancement in every session. Number 4. Titan Fitness Barbell Jack. The Titan Fitness Technique Olympic Bar is a specialized training tool designed for youth and beginners to develop proper form and technique before transitioning to a standard Olympic bar. Manufactured by Titan Fitness, the bar is constructed from durable steel with a knurled grip for enhanced handling during exercises. It measures 30 by 13 by 5 inches and weighs 13 pounds, making it lightweight and manageable for users learning weightlifting basics. The bar is noted for its 2,000-pound capacity, ensuring longevity and reliability even as users progress in strength training. It is marketed under the brand's commitment to quality and functionality in exercise and fitness equipment. Number 5. Bells of Steel Deadlift Jack. The Bells of Steel plastic line deadlift jack is designed to assist in lifting heavy barbells while protecting the knurling. It features triple padded HDPE cups with a generous 39-inch gap, ensuring it accommodates both standard and Olympic bars without damaging their texture. Coated in black powder for rust resistance, this ergonomic jack boasts a long handle for superior leverage, making it easier to lift substantial weights. Its design aims to prevent the wear and tear typically caused by shorter-handled or closely spaced jacks, ensuring durability and value for money. Ideal for powerlifting and bodybuilding enthusiasts, this product combines robust alloy steel construction with thoughtful design details for a reliable workout companion.